If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Before you can track costs for projects, you must ensure that the Track Expenses and Items by Customer toggle switch that appears in the Bills and Expenses section of the Expenses category in the Accountant Settings window is set to the On position. Relatedly, to bill for expenses and items, ensure the adjacent Make Expenses and Items Billable toggle switch is also set to the On position, and set any adjacent default markup and tracking information as desired. Then save the settings by clicking the Save button at the bottom of this section and close the window. To track project costs, simply perform the additional step of selecting the name of the billable customer or project from the Customer Project column within the line item area in an expense, check, bill, and/or purchase order as needed. Remember that you can also choose to create any of these types of forms directly from a project's details page to automatically record the information in this column in the form if needed. For costs recorded as part of a process or ones entered independently from the project details page, like when creating a purchase order from an estimate, you must simply remember to select the value from the Customer Project field when creating the transaction. This tracks the line item's cost to the project or customer you select. Additionally, if needed, to mark any of these customer or project costs as billable to the selected customer or project, be sure to check the adjacent Billable columns checkbox within the line items row. Note, however, that this column doesn't appear in the purchase order window, as purchase orders do not affect accounts until converted into a bill. However, it does appear within the Bill window when copying or adding information from a purchase order to a bill, so make sure to select it there if needed. After entering the remainder of the form's information, then save it as usual. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.